Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add someone to your conversation and chats on Slack really quickly. So let us get started. All right, head over to a workspace on Slack and take a look at your list of conversations and chats here to the left where it says direct messages. So let's assume you would like to add another user to a conversation you have had with that user here. So all you need to do is access the given conversation with your left mouse. And what you want to do after that is right click on the given conversation and select view conversation details. And after that, guys, simply click on this option here, add people to this conversation, to make that conversation between you and your contact, let's say a group chat. So click on it, and after that simply enter the username here or the email address of the user you would like to invite. And yeah, that's basically it. Simply confirm by clicking on next here to make the given conversation a group chat, of course provided the given or the invited person accepts your invitation to that group chat. So that's how it works, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.